Hello everyone and welcome to the session 1 video of Generative AI series, which is Introduction to Generative AI. My name is Habib and today we will dive into the world of Generative AI, exploring its core concepts, applications and why it is crucial us to understand it. This video is for beginner level, for the people who want to start learning generative AI from the scratch. Let's get started. Let's talk about the content of this video. First, we'll discuss on what is generative AI, then the various applications of generative AI. Most important topic, that is relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing, that is the NLP, which also clarifies on where Gen AI fit in AI ecosystem. We'll also touch upon generative AI model types and LLM, that is large language model. Post that, we will learn various challenges and future of AI. I'm sure you all are excited to understand on this content. If you want to really learn generative AI from basic till advanced along with the generative AI practitioner who has 20 plus years industry experience. So please like and subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications on upload of new videos. So without waiting, let's get started. ChatGPT, Mistral, DALL-E, Cloud, Gemini and Copilots. These terms might be familiar to you through discussions with your friends and colleagues. Many of you may have already started using these innovative tools. ChatGPT is a revolutionary chatbot developed by OpenAI. This tool is applicable for understanding and generating human-like text that makes it an incredible tool for everything from customer service to interactive storytelling. GitHub Copilot. Think of this as your AI peer programmer, developed by GitHub and powered by OpenAI. Copilot suggests lines of code and entire functions in real time right in your editor. It is like having Copilot who is well versed in dozens of programming language and coding frameworks, massively boosting your productivity and potentially reducing the bugs in your code. Next, we have the Microsoft Office Copilot. Built on the idea of GitHub Copilot, imagine an AI integrated directly in MS Office suite. This AI would not just help you write better emails in Outlook or suggest edits in Word, it could automate PowerPoint presentation based on summary of your report or analyze data trends in Excel to recommend charts. The Office Copilot could revolutionize office productivity by automating routine tasks and offering real-time assistance, making it easier to focus on strategic decision making. Whether it is chatting, coding or content creation, these tools are at the forefront of AI innovation, transferring how we interact with the technology. This makes us realize that now generative AI has entered in our daily life and it is our future. Recently, ChatGPT has taken good attention in the market. When ChatGPT 3.5 was launched in November 2022, it got adopted by millions of users in just 5 days time, and it jumped to the club of 100 million in just 2 months time. There are many popular applications like Instagram, Facebook, Netflix that took more time for adoption than ChatGPT. From this, we can understand generative AI is the future. So, what is exactly is generative AI? In simple terms, it is a type of artificial intelligence that create new content such as images, text, audio and more. Unlike traditional AI which primarily analyzes and processes information, generative AI is all about creation of new things. It is an exciting field that is transforming the way we think about creativity and innovation. Let's understand the benefits of generative AI applications and some of the areas which are using generative AI. Generative AI applications are revolutionizing various fields from text generation, powering chatbots, AI assistants, and content creation, to image generation, enhancing the design, marketing, sales, and art. It plays important role in medical research for pharmaceuticals and in fraud detection for bolstering security measures. It's not complete here. It is also to improve productivity and automation in all various areas of work, which extensively helping companies in saving cost and time. Let's explore some of the applications of generative AI. In the area of image and art creation, tools like DALL-E and DeepArt are revolutionizing the creative process. For text generation, AI models like GPT are being used for chatbots and content creation. Generative AI is also making waves in music and audio composition, voice synthesis, and even game design and drug discovery. The possibilities are endless. Now we will have a demonstration on ChatGPT application. Let me open the ChatGPT application in the browser. ChatGPT introduced with the intent to generate the text. Okay, and it is based on GPT model. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Here is the input text box to enter input to ChatGPT application. Now we are going to enter some text. So see what it is responding. I am just typing in the text box now. As a writer, create essay on cute puppy. Let's see what it gives me output. On top of that, I am again typing create 10 MCQ questions on this essay. So let's see. Generative AI offers numerous benefits. Innovation. It speeds up creative processes, allowing for rapid prototyping and experimentation. For instance, architects use AI tool to generate multiple design concepts very quickly. Efficiency. By automating content creation, it saves time and resources. An example is automating news article summarization using AI. Personalization. AI can tailor outputs to user preferences, enhancing user experiences. Spotify, for instance, uses AI to create personalized playlists. Exploration. It enables new forms of art and design, pushing the boundaries of creativity. AI generated art is even making its way into galleries and exhibitions. Now, let's look at the key components of generative AI. At the heart of the technology, there are many machine learning models, including neural networks and deep learning. There are several types of models used in generative AI, such as generative adversarial network, that is GAN, variational autoencoders, that is VAE, and transformer models. Each of these plays a unique role in enabling AI to generate new and creative content. We'll talk on these models in detail in our upcoming videos. So, how does generative AI actually work? It starts with training models using large data sets. Through this training process, the AI learns to recognize patterns and structures, allowing it to create realistic output. The feedback loop plays a crucial role here as models improve over time through iterations, leading to more accurate and creative results. We have been talking about AI, deep learning, Gen AI models. So you might have a question how they are related to each other. This slide explains you the relationship between AI, ML, DL and NLP and generative AI. Let's go with the first, artificial intelligence. AI is a technique by which intelligence is injected in machines with the expectation that they should behave like a human being. AI involves technique that equip computers to emulate human behavior, enabling them to learn, make decisions, recognize the patterns, and solve complex problems similar to human intelligence. Then comes machine learning. ML is subset of AI. It uses advanced algorithms to detect patterns in large data sets, allowing machines to learn and adapt. ML algorithms use supervised or unsupervised learning methods. Now, deep learning. DL is subset of ML which uses neural network for in-depth data processing and analytical tasks. DL leverage multiple layers of artificial intelligence networks to extract high level features from raw input data, simulating the way human brain perceive and understand the world. As discussed earlier, generative AI is a subset of DL models that generates content like text, images, or code based on provided input. Trained on vast data set, these models detect patterns and create outputs without explicit instructions, using a mix of supervised and unsupervised learning. NLP has the capability to process or transform languages and their semantics used across AI. Wow! Now you can easily relate AI, ML, DL, Gen AI and NLP. Hope you are mind blown. And if you want to have some mind blowing experiences, like and subscribe to this channel AI Ka Doctor. This slide explains the various Gen AI model types. Generative AI, transformers based model which is adopted from natural language processing, that is NLP, to comprehend the structure and context of language. It is trained with extensive data set to grasp connections between sequential data such as words and sentences. Examples are GPT, Lambda, Google Bot, etc. Generative adversarial networks, that is GANs, comprises two neural network types, generator and discriminator, to produce data that looks authentic. The generator works to create a convincing output while the discriminator evaluates its authenticity. For example, DALI, Midjourney, these are the examples. Variational autoencoder. BAE, which makes use of two networks, encoders and decoders. Encoder's job is to compress the input data and simplify it. Decoder then deconstructs the compressed information into an output that resembles the original data but it's not identical. Examples are Google BERT, now we call it as a Gemini. There is also emerging model type called multimodal model, which can simultaneously process various types of data such as text, images, and audio. It can also generate more complex and sophisticated outputs. For example, creating an image using input comprises both text prompts and text descriptions of image prompts. DALI, OpenAI GPT-4 are the examples of multimodal model. We heard the word LLM at many places when we were discussing about ChatGPT and transformers based model. So, what is LLM? LLM is large language model that provides capability for general purpose language understanding and generation. That means we can ask question to LLM in any of the language. LLM understand it, process it and generate contextual response from its knowledge base. LLM uses huge large amount of data and billions of parameters during training of the model. LLM also provides wide variety of natural language processing tasks like summarization, question answering, translation, and many more. GPT and BERT are the popular large language models. Generative AI is one of the hottest topic on the earth today. Though some of the people are excited to use Gen AI, there are some people still hesitate to use Gen AI applications. This is because generative AI has come up with many challenges and ethical considerations like quality control. Ensuring outputs are accurate and reliable is very crucial. AI generated content must be carefully reviewed, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare. Bias and fairness. AI models can unintentionally preserve bias present in their training data. For example, AI used in hiring process must be carefully managed to avoid discrimination. Intellectual property. As AI creates new content, questions about ownership and copyright arise. This is a significant consideration in fields like music and literature. Misinformation. AI can be used to create fake content, posing risk of misinformation. Deepfake technology is a prime example where AI generates realistic yet fake videos. That highlighting the importance of ethical oversight. There is a huge scope of work on these areas, and many startups and big companies are already invested in solutionizing them. If we talk about future of generative AI, there is many challenges. I will tell you, generative AI is yet another revolution like computers, mobiles, wireless technology, and we see them in action in our day-to-day life. Generative AI is being aggressively used in many industries and soon it will be adopted all over the world and it will be part of our daily routine. Looking to the future, generative AI is composed for continued growth and impact. Trends. We will see more AI integration in industries like entertainment, healthcare, and finance, where automation and personalization are key. Advancements. As models improve, they will become more capable of generating highly realistic content and solving complex problems. Impact. Generative AI will continue to transform creative industries, enhancing how we create and interact with content. Exciting developments are on the horizon, and staying informed about AI trends will be crucial for professionals in all fields. You might be wondering why you should learn about generative AI. Well, there is a growing demand for expertise in this area as AI technologies continue to advance. This opens up exciting career opportunities in AI research, development, and application across various industries. Additionally, it brings up innovative problem solving and help you develop future proof skills. Whether you are in tech, healthcare, entertainment, or any industry, generative AI offers valuable interdisciplinary applications and projects. Now, let's explore generative AI tool that is ChatGPT. I will show you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT. Open your browser and type openai.com/chatgpt or chatgpt.com. When you are on ChatGPT page, first check which ChatGPT version you are using: 3.5, 3.5 Turbo, 4.0 Mini, or 4.0 version. Access will be based on your subscription, whether it is free or paid. Let's see the versions and subscription cost. Let's click on upgrade section. We can also see pricing on billing page. So if you go to openai.com/API/pricing, you can see pricing based on various models and token processing. So you can visit this page in detail later and try to understand how you should construct your request and response and what cost is associated with that. Let's go back to ChatGPT page. Now we are on ChatGPT page. If you see, left hand side section shows history of chat. Earlier searches will be visible there. Right section is content section, and it has input box to submit your input to ChatGPT, so that ChatGPT will generate your ask and response with the appropriate content. Your input text is also called as a prompt. So whichever request you are sending in the form of text to ChatGPT, that is also called the prompt. Let's try a few inputs and see how ChatGPT respond to that. I am typing in the text box now. As a humble employee, asking boss to approve long leave. Press enter, or you can click on this button as well. You can see ChatGPT is responding to your prompt, your query. Now let's put another prompt. As a arrogant employee, asking boss to approve long leave. Press enter. It is now generating the output. Now see the difference between these two responses by ChatGPT. ChatGPT understands the context and text semantic meaning, extract emotions from your input and generates the output based on that, and not the fixed output. Prompt will be more effective if you provide persona or personality details to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT plays that role for you. This is very simple demonstration on how to use generative AI tool and importance of prompt. This learning is applicable while using any generative AI tool. We will have many more demonstrations in my upcoming videos. Would like to conclude this video with this question, which is very close to your heart. Will generative AI replace you? The answer is here. Generative AI will not replace you, but the person who knows how to use it will replace you. It means you have to learn generative AI and take that learning very seriously. I will try to make it easier for you and will be with you throughout your generative AI learning journey. I am coming up with many videos on various topics related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, LLM, that is large language models, and various frameworks like LangChain, Llama 2, Llama Index, and many more. Some of you who don't know about me, please do watch my introduction video. You can find the link in the description section of this video. So, if you want to really learn generative AI from basic till advanced, along with generative AI practitioner who has 20 plus years industry experience, please subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications on new video uploads. Thank you for watching this video till the end.